Hello students, welcome to the class. I'm Yogita. Our subject is Nursing Foundation. It's for nurses and today we are going to discuss about nursing. Now, the word nursing is derived from the Latin word that means nutritious. That means one who is giving care, one who is nourishing, yeah, protecting. We all experience that in a day-to-day life also, that we are taking care of our family members, like our mother is taking care of our children, we are taking care of old age people in our house, we are trying to protect them. So it is all concept which comes under nursing, and one who is providing this care, we call them as a nurse. So how I can describe nurse? Nurse. Nurse, N for nobility, U for usefulness, R for responsibility, S for simplicity, and E for efficiency. NURSC, nurse. Now, what's the definition of this nursing? Now, according to INC, the unique function of nurses is to assist the individual, sick or well, in performance of those activities contributing to the health and its recovery, or to a peaceful death or to a peaceful death, that the client would perform unaided if he had necessary strength, will, knowledge, and to do this in such a way to help the client to gain independence as rapidly as possible. Now, here altogether, the meaning of nursing means one who is providing care to a patient. That care may be to improve their health condition so that they feel much better, prevent them from certain illness, yeah, diseases, or prevent them from certain injurious what happen in the ward or in the home setup. Also, we can help them in a peaceful death where we know that we are not able to give any medicine or make any magic so that they are able to recover from the disease. But here we are giving a care, palliative care, so that we are trying to make them feel calm and comfortable when they are very close to the death, so that they are able to feel a peaceful mentality and have a peaceful death. Also, we need to understand the strength and knowledge and understanding level of a patient. Based on that, we are able to provide a care to a patient. So this is altogether nursing, how this nursing works. Now, the objective of nursing, it is mainly to prepare the individual for this nursing profession. So it take an opportunity that individual must be trained well, that how they are able to provide the care for a patient who is sick or injured, or who is like chronic illness, who is very close to the death. It also provide like integration of health and social aspects, theory and practice in generalization public health nursing. So it is collaborate intellectual and social functioning so that they can function well in the theory as well as practical areas. Now it also provide a adequate sound a scientific knowledge to the individual. See, when we do nursing, we are learning all the subjects, so that will enhance the knowledge level of an individual. So you will get a sound information, maybe about anatomy, physiology, or how to do the nursing procedures, process, how to give the medication, what are the adverse effects. See, you're having a thorough knowledge. So this scientific knowledge is imparted because of nursing. So that's one of the objective. It also prepare one who is able to work with others, develop that coordination, cooperative, because one person cannot run a show. When it is nursing, it's a group of member, health team, health multidisciplinary team, where group of people are working together to achieve the goal, so that we are able to bring something good changes in patient's life. We can make the patient get well soon. See, for that, good coordination is required, good cooperation among the health team members are required. For that, we are training our nurses. That's one of the objective of nursing. It also provide opportunity to through co-curricular activities. It's not that only you study your academic syllabus. Apart from that, you're learning many things, understanding, disciplines, leadership skills, motivations, You are learning that how you make quick decisions in case of any kind of emergency situations. So these all are once again trained for the nurses who comes under this program. It also ensure a opportunity to initiative and resourcefulness of responsibility of oneness. Like now, if you're the nurse, you must know that how good you're in your profession. You need to know that how useful and resourceful person you are, so that others can get some kind of benefits from you. So these all are the important objective of nursing. Then the function of nursing, a function of nurses, how nurses can be, what all the work she can do, how she can help the poor, sick, injured patients. Now nurse can be a caregiver, clinical and decision maker, protector, clinical advocate, case manager, rehabilitator, counselors, communicator, teacher. So many functions we can list out here. Now here caregiver. Nurse is one who is providing care to a patient who is sick or injured, who is on the bed, who is not able to do their daily requirements, daily needs. A nurse is meeting their requirement. Nurse is giving helping hand. It's not only that nurse meet the need of a patient, also she provide care to the family and like friends, those who are there. So they will be mentally exhausted. So she is the one who is meeting their needs. Also, she will be a clinical decision maker. She is able to take a decision, a right decision for a patient, so that patient can get well soon. Now, nurse will make a decision along with the collaboration of physicians, dietitians, or any other health members. She will give her opinion because she is the person who is like having a close supervision of a patient. She is the one who is working 24 into 7 along with the patient. So she know much, she know better about a patient, so she can help in taking a right decision for a patient. She is a protector in the sense she will protect the patient from all possible injuries, like maybe providing good hospital environment, providing side rails, good food. She maybe know that which food is allergic to a patient, so that she will not provide such kind of food to the patient. So this is all of the way that she is protecting the patient. She also protect the patient from some unknown threats from unknown people, or patient may develop some, like after getting admitted in hospital, like they may develop nosocomial infection or mosquito borne disease or something like that. So she is trying to protect from all these areas. She is an advocate. She understands patient needs and try to meet the patient requirements. She is protects a patient's right, human rights, legal rights, because patients are not subjected for the purpose of research work. So she will be protecting a human right of her patients. Then she will be a manager, one who is managing her patient. She is taking all the activities, collaborating with all the other multidisciplinary team members and planning for the activities. As a manager, she is making a proper plan or proper like blueprint that how the work should be done, so that her patient is receiving a maximum care. Then she delegate the nursing work to everyone. So as a manager, she delegate the work so that everyone is doing their own work. They're not overloaded, yeah, has got a much burden. 1 minute. Then the role of communicator. She is a communicate with the patient, family, and friends. She's try to talk to them, give a good health teaching. If patient or family has got any doubt or any kind of queries, any confusion, she's the one who helping them to clarify all those doubts. Comforter, she is the one who provide all kind of comfort measure to her patient. Maybe good food, good sleeping, or like a bed, no excessive light in the rooms, no bad odors, no bright light, yeah, bad foul smell in the room. See, she's trying to eliminate all these things and provide a maximum comfort to her patient. She'll be a leader. She is the one who is taking opportunity to lead the team nursing, so that a particular team will work for the patient, so that patient get a better care. and she's a counselor. She is trying to meet the emotional need of a patient. She is able to counsel the patients, not only patient as well as patient family and the friends, because definitely it is not only a physical burden, definitely they will have an emotional burden also. Now here, as a counselor, nurse is able to manage all the emotional crises and conflicts which happens with the patient and the families. She will be a teacher and educator, like she can provide a lot of health educations on different aspects, different topics. If any doubt they got, she can clarify the doubts. She can give a prior informations regarding the procedures, all the side effects. So all these things can be done by the nurse. So these all are the important role and responsibility or function of a nurse. Then the quality of a nurse is, I'll just list out, it's very simple. The quality of a nurse is she is self-confident, humble, simple, loyal, cooperative, good leadership skill, keen observer, good listener, capable to do the work, take the responsibility, accountability, discipline, good judgment, good manager, advocate, caretaker, decision maker, and she is very polite and humble. This is the important quality of a nurse. So this is about nursing and nurse. I hope you understood. I see you in the next class. Thank you.